guys, back with another video, and today we're going to be looking at, a very special thing, which is Mario Kart 8 race cars. This one's head snapped off within 5 seconds. Good thing it wasn't mine. So this is my one. It's Yoshi because they didn't come with Luigi. That is very disappointing though, because Luigi is like the second main character. So it's very disappointing. Like, I thought they would like do Luigi definitely, because he's the second main character next to Mario. So that's a bit disappointing. So yeah, we're just going to be testing them out. As you can see, I've set up a slide going from the stairs to all the way down to the garden, just like that. So we're going to be riding them down it, see if it works or if they crash.
Ryan,
so
are you doing a video?
Yeah, I'm doing a video. You better wash that off your head. So guys, we're going to be doing a video today, and we're going to be doing it off in the final showdown in the trampoline. They're just going to be fighting in there, and it's going to be really fun. I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, then a like, sharing, comment, subscribe would be greatly appreciated. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so the way you get these awesome race cars is, all you have to do is you get them from Toys R Us. I don't know how much they cost, but they're awesome. I got mine for Christmas a very long time ago. We had no idea where they were for a long time. They were like put in the attic, or no, the loft, for ages, and then we decided to get them down because they're awesome. It's just a waste of money if you don't get them down, if you ask me. So we're going to play with them today, and it's going to be really fun. See you in a minute. I've got this is the tool you would want to use to get stuff out. Alright, I'll just see you in a minute, guys. You alright?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Come on, man. Do you want to play with Mario Kart 8? Mario Kart 8 race cars? Okay, come on, let's go, bud. Okay, I just got to get it off Bella. This is the controller. This is the car. So let's do it. He's really excited. Coming! Oh! Oh man!
This thing is hard to use.
Man!
This thing is hard to use.
Ah!
I bumped into the slide. I'm stuck. I'm stuck in the slide. I'm stuck in the slide.
Stuck in the slide! Alright guys, let's do it down the slide! Come on! Come on, me. Okay. Are we ready? Right, come on.
That was fun.
Okay, now record me! Okay! That was awesome, guys. Hopefully you saw it. My brother's not really good at recording, but hopefully you saw it. Okay, he's gonna do it. Yeah! Why'd you do that?
Gotta go. Oh, I fell off. I fell off.
Okay, but get out of the way. I'm gonna do it. Go! Almost.
You fell off.
Let me get the cord. Yeah! Okay.
Okay, Bella's to the rescue.
Bella to the rescue.
I don't think she rescued him. Ryan to the rescue. Careful there. Oh.
Okay, pull it.
I'm falling off the swing. Okay. The final showdown.
Okay, wait a minute. Hang on. I just need to sort it out because this is kind of a hard position.
It's hard to control these.
Hang on a minute. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Are you ready? Oh, look at that coffee.
Okay, guys. We just need to sort out something and then we can do this. The final showdown! Final showdown? We're about to do this. Are you ready?
Okay, I'm gonna fight you.
What?
I'm gonna fight you.
Yep, okay.
And I'm gonna win.
No. Wait. Okay, I'm ready.
This. That was an accident, I guess. Yeah, take.
Okay, just wait a minute there, cowboy.
Yeah.
Whoa! Just wait a minute there.
Ah, there you go.
Hey! You got them! Oh my god! This battle is way too getting a bit. Oh my god! Just out of control.
Yeah, I'm beat again.
No! No, seriously, stop it. Stop bashing into
I'm
it.
trying to.
You're doing it on purpose.
I'm trying to be battling. Like I'm going front.
Whoa! I'm gonna stop you from getting the camera. No! Oh.
No, look at the camera.
No! Why did you do that? That was on purpose.
Okay, but that was on for that. Oh,
Oh, that was close. No!
that only was an accident. I'm sorry, Freebie. I don't want to hit the camera. Thanks. How do I do
Come
that?
over here.
Reverse.
What are you doing?
How do I reverse?
Come this way. There we go. Oh! Oh, Jesus. Stop!
No.
Oh!
Look the camera.
Alright, we're unstuck.
Okay. Battle 2.
Oh, mouse a big bang.
I'm upside down.
Just smash right into you. Wait, are you upside down?
Yeah, I'm upside down.
And there you have it, guys. The upside down Mario Kart, eh? Oh. Oh! Jesus! Jesus!
Okay, it's nearly round 3 in about 10 hours.
10 hours?
Well, it's like 10 hours.
Stop knocking the camera off! You're knocking it off!
See, told you.
Oh, Jesus. Well, this isn't very good, is it?
It's only a little bit of wind as well. And this little thing is only a tiny bit of green.
Damn it. Damn it.
Yeah.
Right. What happened?
Hey, what happened?
This is my dad.
My one's not moving.
My one's stuck on your one.
My one's not moving. Oh, my leg!
Oh, sorry.
Don't do that to my leg.
Is yours alright?
I got turned off. I don't know why.
Oh, it's on now.
Hey, stop that. Get out of the way. Stop it. Let's go forward.
Oh, that was on purpose. That was a pretty good bash though. I got to admit. No, stop, seriously. Stop it!
Okay. Don't leave it out.
Oh, yes I do.
Oh my God.
His one fell off the trampoline!
Yeah, I went through this and went down.
And it landed.
Yeah.
Okay guys, the video's getting pretty long now. So,
I can't lift this up.
we're going to have to see you in the next video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then a like will be greatly appreciated. I'll see you in the next video, guys. See you later.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.